Welcome the our channel. Today we how to activate Monday.com AI to generate updates from tasks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Monday.com AI for generating updates from tasks, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the board where your tasks are located. Locate the Automations button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the Automations button to open the Automation Center. In the Automation Center, look for the option to create a new automation. Select the option that allows you to use AI for task updates. Choose the specific context in which you want the AI to generate updates, such as status changes or new comments. Customize the trigger settings to specify when the AI should generate updates. You may need to configure additional parameters, such as the frequency of updates or the format of the output. After customizing, save your new automation. Return to your board and check if the AI is successfully generating updates for your tasks. Review the generated updates to ensure they meet your expectations. Adjust the settings as needed based on your experience with the AI-generated updates. Feel free to test the feature on different tasks to fully understand its capabilities. Make sure to familiarize yourself with any limitations or guidelines provided by Monday.com regarding AI usage. Once you are satisfied with the functionality, consider informing your team of the new feature to enhance workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.